back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today I have a Gashapon haul. We were in Japan for about 5-6 days, and we just got Gashapons all over. Some of it I was able to film, some of it I didn't, but I did want to show you the haul. Some of them we haven't opened, so it'll be a surprise for you and for me, so let's hear all about it. So let's go ahead and get started. Here's the first one. I took the tape off, and let's see what this one was. Again, I don't remember too well. I just grabbed and went. Okay, awesome. So the first one is this Harry Potter one. Now, I tried getting this Harry Potter one for the longest time, and it doesn't show you the options, but I believe I did get footage for this one. But I really wanted the jelly beans from Harry Potter. That was one of the options, or the book. Instead, I got the Howler. Now, the Howler is really, really pretty, and I'm happy with it, but it's not the one I wanted. It's still super, super detailed for being such a little Gashapon. This is super detailed and super cute. Look at it. Oh, and I can stand up maybe. Over there. It looks like it has a little teeth. Alright, the next Gashapon is a Disney Tokyo Gashapon. Like I said, there is Gashapon machines all over Disney. The ones that I am familiar with, there is one over at Mermaid Lagoon. Inside of Mermaid Lagoon, there is another one in Toontown inside of the store. There is another one by, I want to say Italy. It looks like Italy. Pavilion by the lockers. But yeah, this one came from, I want to say, the Italy store. And this is Baymax. And I will not take it out of the bag because it's probably going to be part of the giveaway. Because I already have one. Last time we came in March, I actually got Baymax. And I was really happy about him because I wanted him. This time, I didn't want him because he is a dupe. So, when I got him, I was kind of disappointed. These are the options, and I really wanted this one. I would have even taken maybe Dumbo, but I really just wanted this one. But I got Baymax. I think Baymax is the next best one, honestly. But because I already have it, it was just a little disappointing. But I will be giving it away, so I will keep it in its Gashapon ball because the ball itself is really cute. So we have a tiny blue one here. And this one looks to be a bumblebee cat. Look how cute this one is. Adorable. Look at the little paws at the bottom. There was like sharks and sushi and all sorts of cats dressed in different outfits. Oh, it has a little tiny butt. This is just too cute. Alright, next one we have is another Tokyo Disney one. Now, this one I did record, I believe, so I will include the recording if I find it. And this one, as you can tell, is already open because I was just too excited when I saw what was inside. Yay! Look how cute with the bananas. Now, there is a ride in Tokyo Disney Sea that has this little character. And the ride smells like bananas towards the end of the ride. And he is everywhere. He is in every seat, and he is the cutest thing. And the song is so catchy. And my husband doesn't like the ride Sinbad. But, I mean, he's worth it, honestly, to ride the ride. Again, I will keep the ball, probably just to put pins in there for giveaways. But super cute, so excited about it. This one I didn't get, my husband got for me. So we were playing gashas over in Kyoto, and again, it's the same Harry Potter option, and he actually did give me the jelly bean. So let's see if it's actually a better one than the Howler, because from here it looks like paper, but I don't know, it's a rattle. Look how cute, it's so tiny. Birdie Bots, every flavor beans. And there's beans inside. Okay, that's really, really cute. This and the Howler. How cute is that? Alright, the next one is a Back to the Future one. Now, we kept looking for these. We saw it when we arrived in the terminal and there was no balls left. And then the second time we tried it, it took our money. And then the third time we found it, it was a charm because they actually had some in there. And the ball's actually quite nice. Look how nice that was. Oh, satisfaction right there. So this is one of the many DeLoreans that you could get. So these are the options. So you could get DeLorean with fire. That's the one I wanted. You can get DeLorean with the hovercraft, which is one my brother wanted. You can just get the DeLorean like up. And then you can get this last DeLorean, which I don't know what's so magical about this one. But these were the 4 options that we got. Let's see which one we ended up with. It looks like we ended up with, is this a hoverboard? Oh la Okay, so it looks like this is a sticker. Okay, so this is a DeLorean. It actually feels a little bit cheap. Compared to like the quality of this one or the quality of the Bumblebee, this one feels quite cheap. It's still really cute and really small, but just the quality. Huh, I wonder how you put this on there. I will have to play this with this later. If I do figure out the final look, I will insert a picture. But for now, I will put it away just because we are in a time constraint. Okay, on to this orange ball. Some of these gachas are easier to open than others, but this last two balls have been really nice. Okay, so this one, it looks like you have cat options, and it could be cat in a cat bao bun, cat sleeping in a bao bun, cat napping in like a little dessert. Look how cute! I really wanted this one, but I believe we got the one with the orange, which is the one my husband wanted. I did not put more money in there. Shut up, because it's super cute and now I regret it. But look, it looks like the cat is over it. He's just having a chill day. This is me on Sunday when I'm like, I have to meal prep, let's get up, but I don't want to. Look at the little orange. The detail of the bread is quite nice, so very, very cute. And sorry about the layout. Hopefully the lighting is good. Again, I'm in the hotel room, so I just want to get rid of the balls, so I figured let's do it here. Okay, it looks like we have Snoopy options. Ah, yes, I remember this one. I was trying to get a sleeping Snoopy for my dad. My dad loves Snoopy, so I wanted either one of the sleeping ones or even Woodstock. And of course, I got the blockhead. And I remember saying that when I won it. I was like, the blockhead? I don't want the blockhead. I mean, he's pretty cute. I guess he's fine. He's fine. You're fine, Charlie Brown, I guess. But, still, I wanted Snoopy. It's still really, really cute. And this one I will actually leave inside its gacha. We bring these as souvenirs for people. We think it's like really small. It's really nice. It's like a little taste of Japan, but you know, something that they will like. All right, let's go ahead and open this one. Oh, yes. Okay, this is another one of sleeping characters. I don't know, there's a pattern. And we really wanted Togepi for my mom. She is big into Pokemon Go. Togepi would have been nice. Even, is this Clefairy or the baby version of Clefairy? And then Psyduck. But, of course, we got this one. This is the only one that we were like, we don't want it. I mean, it's cute. Poor thing. It has a really, really cute face. It feels really nice, actually. It has a nice weight to it, and it just sits there. I think my mom will still like it, but if I had a preference, I would have picked something else. The first day there, we had really bad luck, like really, really bad luck. Okay, next up, we have this seashell one, and this one you could have gotten an otter. There was a lot of different versions, but they were all cute, so I actually didn't care. I don't think I cared. But there is the shell. Let me make sure you're still on frame. Yeah. Here, it's like a shell gacha. Again, I'm going to keep this one because this one is cute. And then when you open it, it's a little otter. Look how cute. It's felt. So, like, it's like this soft material. Very, very soft. Very nice. And he just sits there. His little feet. Look at the little feet. Where are you? Look at the feet and the tail. Super cute. And then let's look at what the options were. So the options were, you can get all of them to hold their hands. No, I should have bought two. Now he has no one to hold hands with. Oh, I should have looked at the gacha a little closer because I was like, what's the big difference? It's just color. But they hold hands. Oh no, I made a mistake. Oh, poor thing. Still really cute, but I feel bad. Oh, a random character that I know nothing about. This must be my husband. So this is from the minifigure collection of whatever this is. I am so sorry. He is not here, so I can't ask him. These are the 2, 4, 6 options. Ooh, ah. And then this is the option that he got. Ooh, ah, very nice. No idea. I'm going to put it back in here. He can open it for himself. Okay, we have another DeLorean because I got one for me and one for my brother. And this one has, again, the same 4 options. We have the base. Oh, so this one is the one with the base. And I won't put it on right now because its pieces are so small. But this is the one with the little base. And then the car is hovering. I actually like this one more. I might keep this one and give him the hoverboard one. Look, the tires are going up. That is so cool. again, it feels cheap compared to the other ones. If you could weigh them, you could tell what I'm talking about. It's just there's a difference in the quality of it. I'm still really happy with it. There's just a difference in it. So yeah, and I believe these were like 500 yen, so they were on the pricier ones. If you eat meat, this is really good. Ramen, it's our favorite. I'm not a big fish person, but this is beef broth or pork broth, something broth other than fish. And it's so spicy and it's so good, and I talk about it in all of my videos all of the time. And it looks like you can get a lucky item. Oh, I would love a lucky item. But we loved it. We saw it and we're like, oh my god, we need a gasha of it, because we ate there twice. We didn't have that much time in Japan, but we managed to eat there twice. All right, let's see what our options are before we look. So our options for this one were, you could get the ramen set, which is the one my husband wanted. You could get, you could get the call button. So you don't talk to people at this one. You just sit in the little stalls and eat, which I love because I am tragic with chopsticks. And you can get the little boost. Now, I wanted the little boost. My husband wanted the itchy ramen. So let's see who got what. We did get two, so hopefully we'll see who got what. Oh, he's going to be so happy. Ah, la la, look how cool. Again, I won't take it out so he gets surprised with it, but it's the bowl, the broth, the pork. Oh my gosh, extra noodles. We always order extra noodles. The chopsticks, the spoon, and even the menu. When you go in, they give you a menu where you put your options. It's one of the only places in Japan where you can modify your order. And that is, oh my god, I can't wait to see his reaction. He's gonna be so happy for it. So I'm gonna close it up so he has that experience. There you go. Oh, another one that I will not know what to say about. So we have some paper. It doesn't show the options, and then this is what he got. I don't know. No one knows. Not sure if he was happy about it, but put it back in so he has the enjoyment of opening it. We're gonna open it. What's in here? Another thing I don't know anything about. It looks like it's the same show as the last time, where you have those options, and it looks like he got, oh, the kid with this one. Whatever this is, that's what he got. Not sure if he's happy with it. It is what it is. Back in the ball. Back in the ball. Now, these do come with tape, but I've been trying to take them off of camera, like the tape, so the video is not extremely long, because right now I'm running at 20 minutes, but this video is probably less than that. But yeah, just letting you know, it does come with tape usually. So this is a tote. It looks like it's a tote, and it is a Spy Family tote. I don't know if I got this. I don't know who got this one, but here is the tote. It looks like there's Borf, and you can get different options. I would like the one with Borf, or the one with the dad. I can't remember his name. Lloyd, yeah. All right, let's see what we got. It's pink, but I have a feeling they're all gonna be pink. Let's see. It looks like we just got Miss Anya, and she is just getting the table ready. Cute. In Japan and in China, you have to purchase bags. It's not that expensive. It's like California. In California, you have to purchase a bag, and I believe in California it's like 10 cents. It's about the same. Actually, a little less than 10 cents here to buy a bag. So this comes in handy, but I don't remember who purchased this one. So I'm going to go back in just in case it was a gift, because I don't remember it. So, okay. Here it is. So I took the tape off. I'm going to go ahead and open it. It is, oh yeah, it's another Harry Potter one. I tried getting the jelly beans either 2 or 3 times. If we see another howler, it's 3 times. And every single time I got a howler. Now, I'm really happy with the howler. I have a lot of friends who like Harry Potter, so it will probably be going to their houses. But when I was there, I was not too pleased about it because I wanted other options. They were so cute. It is another itchy ramen one. I'm really hoping it's something different. Although it's really cute, I'm really hoping it's something different. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, ooh la la! Yes! Yes! I got the booth and the lucky egg. Ah! Okay, that is lucky. I got the one I wanted, which was the booth. and he got the one he wanted, which was the ramen. So I got this and the lucky egg. He got this. And then here is a picture of the ramen. Oh my god, I want to go back. I know I just ate there like 2 days ago, but it's so good. I believe there's one in New York, so try it out if you ever go there. But am I gonna recognize it? Oh la la, yes. Okay, there was a lot of Felix the cat gashas this time. I didn't see as many last time, but there's the one singing, which is really cute. The one eating pizza. I want to see the one that's like confused, and then I don't know who D is. I follow it, but not to the T. But it looks like I got the one singing. Na, na, na. And this one's probably gonna go to my dad as well. He likes Snoopy, but I remember him having Felix stuff growing up. Maybe it was just because everybody had Felix stuff. I'm not sure. We'll see. I guess when I give it to him and he gives me a questionable look, I will know. But very, very cute. All right. I always get a fun one as well. So I believe this was my fun one. Last time I got something squishy. This time I got little buttons. So it looks like you could have gotten different. It was probably patterns or colors because I think it's the same exact thing. So I got this keychain and maybe it makes noise. Let's see. Oh, okay. Okay, that was cool. I could get entertained with this. I couldn't use it in the airport or anywhere quiet, but very, very nice. This one was one that you could get. There was like all types of Nintendos. We wanted the gray one that's like the original Nintendo, and this is the one we got. So this is like maybe an older version. At the Pokemon Center, by the way, there's also gashas, and these were the options that we could get, and we really wanted this one. We thought my mom would really like Pika with a little fit. Like how cute. But Pika with a little fit or with the cupcake. Yeah, we thought all of them would be cute, and we got little Pika sitting down. So yeah, very, very cute. Very happy with the little Pika. And maybe my favorite Gashapon. So I waited until the very end for this one. So this is at the Pokemon Center. It is a Magikarp Pokemon Gashapon, and it's all Magikarp. So you're gonna 100% get a Magikarp, but one of them could be a shiny, one of them could be gold. And I was talking to my brother about how Pokemon Go also has the same feature, and how my mother-in-law took a while to get the Magikarp she wanted. The shiny one, she caught I think more than 400. I don't know. She caught a crazy amount of Magikarps before she got the shiny. So I was like, what would be the odds if I get a shiny? So let's get it for his mom and see what we get. So I take it out. I open it very quickly. You can tell like I did not do a good job. And the moment I opened it, we just started laughing because we couldn't believe it. We got a shiny Magikarp. Like, what are the odds of getting one? So of course this is going to go to my mother-in-law, but I think she's going to be really happy about it because it's so funny because it took her so long to get a shiny of those. And now I'm sure she has a bunch of shinies, but just, yeah. So this was the option. It was 400 yen. You could get a Magikarp or you could get a shiny one. So very, very awesome. Very happy with it. Well, I hope you like this Gashapon review. I've done a video like this before in March. That one I took a little bit longer. This time because we have half Japan, half China, I needed to get the capsules out of my suitcase, which is why I did it in the hotel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can see all of our content during our Japan and China trip. And feel free to ask me any questions about gashas or Japan if you're traveling or you're figuring out where to go. I hope you have a magical day, and until next time, adios.